Yeah.
That's what I thought. Yeah. I'm like, what does it say? What up, guys? It's your boy Big Reeks. Your man Tyler behind the camera, and this is Whip Getters. We got a special review. 3-year review on my M240. Let me ask you a question. You've heard of the M3. You've heard of an M5. You've heard of an M2. This is like the M2's brother. It might even be more than that, because the simple fact is, it doesn't get the clout that it deserves. How this car performs versus the M240, for example, 0 to 60 time in 4.2 seconds. That's pretty quick. I'm pretty sure the M2 is just a hair bit slower than 0 to 60. But it's not about that. It's about this monster right here. The B58 motor makes 365 horsepower, 380 pound-feet of torque. This car is surprising. Why is it surprising? The power to weight ratio. One sleeper thing about it is it's all-wheel drive, aka X-Drive. So the X-Drive makes this car perform, especially in launch control. Surprises. Challengers, Corvettes, Mustangs, yeah, a little bit of all of them. Chrysler 300s, you name them. Anything V8 rear-wheel drive. Good luck. This motor, if you don't know, is a 3.0 liter straight 6 B58B motor. Comes with a single turbo with twin inlets. Why is that important? That is important because there's no delay in torque. You come off the hole at about 1,700, 2,000 RPMs, maybe 2,200 RPMs, and it holds the power to the ground.
Why are we going so fast?
This M240 is one of 750 ever made. And why is the M240, why is this one so rare? Because this is the M240 M Performance Edition. This comes with the carbon fiber tidbits, the front diffuser, the rear diffuser, the M Performance muffler, the carbon fiber tips on the muffler, the M muffler, for example, the 19-inch M wheels. It's got quite a few things that make it special. Out of 750, there's only 65 that were imported to the United States, and this is one of 65. When we was making the highlight promotion video for the M240 M Performance Edition, we were taking some back roads. If you don't know, your boy loves some back roads. So what happened is, most cars, like drift cars, you get around a corner, you feel the G-forces, you think the tires are gonna roll over. That's not what it did at all. It was like somebody put magnets underneath this thing and put it on a metal track, because the way that it hooked and grabbed around the corner, once it settled in, and what I mean by settling in is, you feel the car want to get upset because you're throwing so much momentum on the outer tires that by the time it bites, most of the time you get understeer or oversteer. This car is really controllable with the amount of understeer that it has. And that would make it a rocket ship, because once you get settled into it, it literally grabs and pulls you right out of it. If I could describe it to you, it's like riding a roller coaster. When 1 minute you're all good, and then all of a sudden you feel the bubbles in your stomach. You're like, oh, it's coming. And all of a sudden, bam, it's to the floor. Your stomach is like, ah. That's what it is when you take a corner in this car. I mean, woo-wee, it's serious. It makes you have a very appreciated of the all-wheel drive. I have a different opinion about an X-Drive vehicle versus a rear-wheel drive vehicle from driving these cars. And I've driven an M850, M8, M5 competition, M3 competition, M2, all the M cars I've driven, new and old. So 3-year review, overall cost. What has this car cost me? Okay, I've had, I'll say 5 oil changes already, which the dealership has covered, being part of the deals you get with BMW, which is awesome. I've had to replace the tires already. Whew, Pirellis, run flats, my God, 19s. Whew, cost a little bit, but that's part of the game. You go through tires. Only one set so far. And see what else have we had to do. I just had a serpentine belt and tensioner pulley replaced so far as well. Low maintenance, very reliable, never broke down. Overall, what a awesome car. Stoked to be able to drive it. It was truly a blessing. If anybody out there that wants to know about the M240s, is it worth getting? I think it's the best BMW for the money, hands down. It is a driver's car. And you would not be disappointed with any of the power. You would not be disappointed with the reliability, the comfort, the 12-speaker system. I even threw some LED lighting in there. I mean, overall, I give this car a 9 out of 10. And that's Big Reek's thumb of approval.
Oh, did you hear that dog?
No.